Namaste, welcome back to the next episode of One Shot series. Today we'll be covering the chapter Classification of Ragas. So, when we look into raga, it is the foundation of music for the development, and without raga, there is no music at all. So, for any form to take place or to take shape and to portray our emotions to the audience, raga plays a vital role. So, gaining knowledge of ragas is the ultimate goal of learning music. When the variation of the seven swaras, the sthana Vedas, vary from each other, it forms different sequences, which ultimately forms different ragas. So in Carnatic music, the movement and the structure of each raga is very well defined. So Vidyaranya, a great scholar, in his work called the Sangita Sara, he has mentioned about 15 Melakarta and 50 Janya ragas. On the other hand, Venkatamakhi, the son of Govinda Dikshita, who was the minister of King Raghunatha Nayaka in Tanjavur, formulated the 72 Melakarta ragas using the variations of 16 swaras. So now raga is classified into two types, Janaka raga and Janya raga. So if all the seven sapta swaras are present in both ascending and descending order, which is Arohana and Avarohana, in the proper sequence, it is called as Janaka raga. However, if one or more notes are omitted in either ascending or descending order, such ragas are called as Janya ragas. So Janya ragas are again sub-qualified or classified into two types. One is Upanga and one is Bhashanga. So, Upanga Raga is a raga that only uses the swaras of the Janaka Raga, and there are no Anya swaras which are included. However, one or two swaras are omitted. So, this is Upanga Raga, Upanga Janya Raga. However, Bhashanga Raga is a raga that includes Anya swara or foreign swaras for the aesthetic appeal, which are not present in the Janaka Raga. So this is Bhashanga Raga. However, when we look into ragas which are not in the proper sequence, these ragas are called as Vakra ragas. So Vakra ragas are not in the proper sequence from Sa, Re, Gama, Padani. They are not in this order. They can be zigzag, they can be shuffled and jumbled. So such ragas are called as Vakra ragas. And again, there are two types of Vakra ragas. One is Bhashanga and one is Upanga. So Anyaswara, if the Anyaswara is present, it is called as Bhashanga Vakra raga. If the Anyaswara is not present, it is Upanga Vakra raga. When we look into ragas, it is also classified into Sampurna, Shadava, and Audava. So if there are seven notes, all seven notes in Arohana or the Avarohana, this is called as Sampurna Raga. If there are six notes, it's called as Shadava. Five notes, it is called as Audava. And if there are just four notes, this is called as Swarantara. So I have not discussed about Raga Lakshana in this video because the syllabus for Raga Lakshana has kept on changing. However, if you want to know more, you can just refer your textbook. And if you also want the photocopy of the government textbook, do comment down. And your homework for today is that you have to mention or write the examples for Janya Janaka, Upanga Bhashanga Raga, and Vakra Raga. You have to give the name, of the ragas for all these types of ragas, and comment down all the names in the comment section. So see you all in the next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye.